Your liver protects you every single minute. But what if it's sending warning signs that most people completely miss? Today, I'll show you the 5 early symptoms of liver trouble that you should never ignore because catching them early can protect your long-term health. Number 1. Unusual fatigue that doesn't go away. Fatigue is one of the earliest red flags doctors look for. When your liver becomes overworked or inflamed, it can no longer filter toxins efficiently. This causes chemicals to build up in your bloodstream, leading to constant tiredness. If you feel exhausted even after a full night's sleep, don't ignore it, especially if this tiredness is new or getting worse. Number 2. Yellowing of eyes or skin jaundice. Jaundice is one of the most visible signs of liver stress. It happens when bilirubin yellow pigment builds up because the liver can't process it properly. Early jaundice can start with yellowing in the whites of your eyes, then slowly affect your face and skin. If you ever notice this, seek medical help immediately. Number 3. Abdominal pain or swelling, especially on the right side. Your liver sits on the right side of your upper abdomen. When it becomes enlarged, inflamed, or fatty, you may feel a dull ache, pressure, fullness, bloating. This discomfort often worsens after eating. Many Americans mistake this for gas or heartburn, but persistent right-side discomfort can be an early sign of liver disease. Number 4. Dark urine or pale stools. Changes in your body's waste color are a direct indicator of liver function. Dark urine may signal high bilirubin levels. Pale or clay-colored stools often indicate bile flow problems. Since your liver produces bile, any disruption quickly shows up in your stool and urine. If this is consistent for more than 2 to 3 days, get checked. Number 5. Itchy skin without a rash. This one surprises many people. Chronic liver damage can reduce bile flow, allowing bile acids to build up under your skin. This leads to persistent, unexplained itching, especially at night. If your skin feels itchy without dryness, allergies, or a rash, it may be an early liver warning. Ending advice: doctor-friendly, safe. Early detection is the strongest protection against long-term liver disease. So, if you've noticed 2 or more of these signs, talk to a healthcare professional for proper evaluation. Simple blood tests and ultrasounds can save your liver before symptoms get severe. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.